Good morning. It's about 5:30. We're going deer hunting. We're gonna do a little challenge video. We're both gonna try to shoot a doe today, me and him. And then after that, we're gonna see who can make the better dish out of it. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. All right, well I didn't get to film it because we didn't have a lot of light, but I shot a buck. It's a nice little 8-point. He's probably about 3 years old, 3.5. But yeah, here he is. All right, nice buck. So yeah, I'm gonna wait. Jacob's hunting still. He's probably gonna kill a doe. But yeah, let's see what footage he gets. All right, I looked at my deer, dragged him a little bit. I'm gonna get back in the blind because Jacob's still hunting and he's not that far. So, all right, he didn't get one this morning, so we're gonna go back out this evening. But I got this buck right here. He's a pretty nice one. Probably weighs about 150, 160. Not a bad deer. But yeah, we're gonna get him loaded up and skin him, I guess. All right, we got him hanging. I'm gonna get the skin and I'm gonna put up a time lapse. All right, we got that deer skinned and processed. It's in this ice chest now. We got the racks of ribs off him. We're gonna try cooking deer ribs, something we ain't never done before. But this video ain't over. Still gotta cook deer, and my older brother Jacob's still gonna go out and try to kill one. So yeah, I'll film that. All right, we're heading out for the evening hunt. Bringing a pellet gun with us in case we see some squirrels get close. And we're gonna try to get him a deer.
What's up?
So yeah, stay tuned.
What's up, chat?
All right, we just got off the blind and we already see a deer. We might shoot her. So yeah, we'll stay tuned. Whatever. All right, he's about to shoot. All right, it's been a little bit of time. We did not get a shot of those deer. But now we're just gonna wait and hope another one comes out. All right, well, we didn't go on this evening, but we're gonna go out back tomorrow evening. See if we can get a doe. I think I'm gonna hunt a spot that's a little bit different where we hunted today, and so is my brother. So yeah, we're gonna see if we can kill some does. All right, it's the next evening. We're about to go back out. It's our last chance to get a doe for this rifle season, so I'll see y'all on the blind. We just got in the blind, sir. It's about 3:30 something, so we're gonna wait and hopefully we get a doe. Corey's about to shoot. Whenever you're ready. Wait, she turned. Hold up. I can see her. You're unblocked, but she is right there. Oh, there's another. That's moving, yeah. That's her fawn. Alright, I'll get back to y'all whenever he actually shoots. He's about to shoot. Whenever you're ready. He hit her. Alright, he hit her. We're gonna give her a couple minutes. We're gonna go check out what happened. How do you feel?
Good.
Good?
I think it's a good shot.
Good shot. Hope she didn't run but 20 yards so far.
She couldn't have gotten far, I think.
No. Alright, it's about 4:45. He just shot. Probably give it 5 minutes and we'll go look. We just got out the blind.
In about 5 minutes, I'd say. A minute.
Now we're gonna go look, see if we find her. Alright, we've been looking for probably 20 minutes now. Ain't seen no blood. Ain't seen her. We're gonna keep looking, but it ain't looking good so far. Alright, well we looked for quite a while. Didn't find no blood or the deer, so we think he just missed. But that's alright, we're gonna keep hunting. no more doe days, so he's got to kill a buck. But I want to see if I can get in the stand with him or something and film it for y'all. So yeah. What's up, Outdoor League fans? We got some deer ribs from a deer he killed the other day. We're about to wrap them each in some tin foil. And then we're gonna put them over that fire out there. Fire. And then go along with it. Oh yeah. We got some outdoor boys bread right in this bag. So let's see how it comes out. All right, what are we doing right now? We are seasoning up the ribs. We got some butter over there and some chicken broth. We're gonna like get in there and make sure it's moist. Right now we're just making sure they got flavor. All right, we'll loose out the fire. Yep. Oh, we got a fire going. We got our ribs wrapped up. I'm just gonna wait for this to turn to coals and we're gonna bury them in it. All right, so we just dug a hole. We put some coals under and then we put the ribs on top of an aluminum foil. We also built a fire above it just to add a little bit of flair to it, you know? That's all we got going on right now. Yeah. All right, it's been a little bit over an hour. We got it buried. Got some bread going. So you're probably gonna go another hour or so, maybe more. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. Yeah, dog. Ain't that right? That's right, big dog. All right, bread's about done.
I think we're gonna take it out right about now.
We're gonna see if it's cooked. Hopefully it is.
We're hoping it's cooked for sure, guys.
That's usually the goal. Oh, yep. Okay. Into the chair.
It's about to be hot, unks.
Is she cooked?
Oh, that looks good, huh?
That does look good.
I think it needs a little bit more, but it's getting there for sure.
Oh yeah.
Love to see it. I think we're gonna let it go for a few more minutes.
All right. Just back in the fire it goes. Take it out in a minute. All right, taking the bread out. Should be done now.
Looks about. I think it should be done. I think.
Smells done.
I think it's about done.
Yeah.
Try to get in there. We're gonna let it cool down for a couple minutes, and we'll get back to y'all.
Yeah. All right, the bread's cooled. We're gonna break it, see if she's cooked.
Oh my!
Oh no!
What do you mean no?
Oh no! I'm just playing. It's a little gooey, but that's fine.
I mean, I think it's gonna work.
Yeah, it'll work.
You can probably put it in for a couple minutes. Or yeah, might need to put it in a little bit longer.
Just a little bake.
Yeah.
She don't look bad. Just put it in for another minute. We should be good. All right, we're gonna dig them up and see how they came out. Yes, they are. Don't bash it back that way.
There's ribs number 1. Here we go. There's number 2. Little drop-a-rooney.
Get it out the fire.
There's number 3.
Almost got it.
Yeah, it's definitely warm down there.
There's 4.
And there's the last one.
Alright, we're gonna crack into these in a minute, see how they come out. Alright, we took the ribs out, and let's just say they're not. Yeah, let's say they're not edible. So I'm gonna show you them real quick. Alright, yeah. They're a little charred.
A little.
A little charred.
A little.
But yeah, it was an experiment anyway, it's okay. I don't think I'm gonna be eating that, me personally. You wanna try it?
I mean, not really.
Yeah, that didn't work out how we was thinking it was gonna go. We overcooked the ribs, so we ain't gonna be eating them. That's probably the end of the video. So yeah, like and subscribe for more content. See y'all.